Vande Bharat train that was travelling from Gorakhpur to Lucknow was attacked by stones on Sunday in Uttar Pradesh's Barabanki, breaking a coach's window. According to the sources, the incident occurred near Safedabad railway station in Barabanki. The train reached Lucknow at 10:40 am. The incident happened when a virtual program for the beautification of the railway stations by Prime Minister Narendra Modi was ongoing. An investigation by Barabanki's railway police is underway to identify the miscreants. The Railway Protection Force escort team informed the control room about the incident. However, an RPF inspector who reached the spot upon receiving the information did not find any unruly elements or witnesses at the scene. The scientific survey of the Gyanvapi Mosque complex in Varanasi will continue on Monday morning, led by a team of Archaeological Survey of India officials. There might be a slight delay today due to it being the 5th Monday of the Sawan month, as mentioned by Sudhir Tripathi, an advocate representing the Hindu side. Tripathi also stated that the survey work is progressing and the Anjuman Intizamiya committee responsible for the mosque is cooperating with the survey. On Saturday, 5 members from the Muslim side participated in the survey after having stayed away on Friday. The survey team, accompanied by Government Counsel Rajesh Mishra, worked from morning until 5 pm with a break for lunch from 1 pm to 3 pm. India's third lunar mission Chandrayaan-3 successfully entered the moon's orbit, marking a significant milestone as India aims for a lunar landing in the coming days. Chandrayaan-3 has shared its first ever images of the moon, and they look stunning. As the spacecraft of the ambitious Chandrayaan-3 mission entered the lunar orbit on Saturday, it caught sight of the moon during its maneuver, the video clip of which was shared by the Indian Space Research Organisation on Sunday. The moon, as viewed by Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft during lunar orbit insertion on August 5, 2023, tweeted the mission's official Twitter handle. While there are only less than 20 days left before the soft landing on the lunar surface, the clip gave a glimpse of the intricate details of Moon's craters as the craft was approaching towards it. The Haryana police has apprehended multiple Rohingya refugees in connection with the recent communal unrest in Nuh district. According to Narendra Bijania, the superintendent of police in Nuh, some Rohingya refugees had unlawfully occupied land belonging to Haryana Shahari Vikas Pradhikaran in Tauru, leading to a demolition drive. However, some of them have also been identified as being involved in pelting stones and participating in the mob violence that occurred on July 31st. Officials are currently scrutinizing the documents, and initial investigations have revealed that all of them possess refugee identity cards issued by the UN. Most of the Rohingyas living in Nuh arrived from Myanmar's Rakhine state following the 2017 violence and entered India through various routes.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.